Dear students, our today's topic is indefinite integration part 4 using completing the square method. In this section there are three types of questions. Type 1, in this type question is given as integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c. Type 2, integration of 1 upon over root ax square plus bx plus c. Type 3, integration of over root ax square plus bx plus c. Its working rule is step 1, in any integral of above type we first complete the square as shown below. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to, first of all we take common a, then we get multiple of a, x square plus b upon xa plus c upon a. Then we make complete whole square of algebraic part. Step 2, on applying the substitution x plus b upon 2a is equals to t, and then using the 9 special formula we can integrate them. Note, if the coefficient of x square is positive, then we add b upon 2a whole square in algebraic part and subtract it from constant part. Note second, if the coefficient of x square is negative, then we add b upon 2a whole square in constant part and subtract it from algebraic part. Now we take some examples. Example 1, integration of 1 upon over root x square plus x. First of all, we divide coefficient of x by 2. We always divide by 2 in each question, because here coefficient of x square is 1, so we can directly divide coefficient of x 1 by 2. So our result is 1 by 2. Now we add its square in algebraic part and subtract its square from constant part, which is 0 here. So we can write I is equals to integration of 1 upon over root whole square of x plus 1 by 2 minus whole square of 1 by 2. Now let x plus 1 by 2 is equals to t, then its derivative becomes dx is equals to dt. Now replace these values in given question. We get integration of over root t square minus 1 by 2 square dt. After applying specific formula from 9 special formulas, we get log of t plus over root t square minus 1 by 4 plus c. After replacing value of t, we get x plus 1 by 2 in given question, log of x plus 1 by 2 plus over root x square plus x plus c. Example second, integration of 1 upon 2 minus 3x minus 2x square. First of all we take minus 1 by 2 common, then we get integration of 1 upon in bracket x square plus 3 by 2x minus 1. Now again we divide coefficient of x 3 by 2 by 2, then we get result 3 by 4. Now we add its square in algebraic part and subtract it from constant part. Then we get minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 upon within curly bracket x square plus 3 by 2x plus 9 by 4 within bracket minus 1 plus 9 by 16 within bracket. After simplification we get 1 by 2 because minus into minus is plus now, so we can write integration of 1 upon whole square of 5 by 4 minus x plus 3 by 2 raised to power 2. Now we assume x plus 3 by 2 is equals to t. Then we get 1 by 2 integration of 1 upon 5 by 4 raised to power 2 minus t square dt. After integrating it, we get 1 by 2 log of 5 by 4 plus t upon 5 by 4 minus t. After replacing value of t, we get, after simplification, 1 by 5 log of 9 plus 4x upon 1 minus 4x plus c. So our final answer is 1 by 5 log of 9 plus 4x upon 1 minus 4x plus c. Example third. Integration of over root x square plus 3x minus 18. First of all, we divide coefficient of x 3 by 2. Then our result is 3 by 2. Now we add its square in algebraic part and subtract it from constant part. Then we get I is equals to integration of over root x plus 3x plus 9 by 4 within bracket minus 18 minus 9 by 4 within bracket. Now we assume x plus 3 by 2 is equals to t, then dx is equal to dt. After replacing these values, we get I is equals to integration of over root t square minus 9 by 2 raised to power 2. After applying appropriate formula from 9 special formulas, we get t by 2 over root t square minus 9 by 2 raised to power 2 minus 81 upon 2 into 4 log of t plus over root t square minus 81 by 4 plus c. After replacing value of t, we get 1 by 2 into x plus 3 by 2 into over root x square plus 3x minus 18 minus 81 upon 8 log of x plus 3 by 2 plus over root x square plus 3x minus 18 plus c. Thank you, students. There is a worksheet with answer sheet today. Do it yourself.